Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's check out the markets. Yeah, what are you gonna do with this? Just recognize this is not a level. Yeah, this is like also tied. 612 close. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. It bounced of 0.5. Can you call it half? It bounced of half. 0.5 correction. Yeah, right from here. Technically, after this volume, this is doable. Considering this is exhaustion volume below us. This is doable. This guy bounced. This bounced. Interesting. I think there was an entry here, wasn't there? Yeah, if I neglected this, that would be like 2-bar spring test, and that's an entry. And that was an entry. Oops. Still don't know what ticks stand for here. And yeah. Reversal. Dun, 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 dun. This guy goes lower. Well, well. Interesting. Intel freaks out. Roku. Pfizer. You'd say it should go from here. Yeah. It looks like it wants to go from here. Hmm. I think I'm out of this position. I think I'm out of this position. To break even. Um, yeah. Easy. Too greedy. 2R would have worked perfectly. But 2R would have worked perfectly. But instead of 2R, I broke even. That might be an accident. Yeah. 50-15. 50-15. Where's my... Oh, yeah. There's something new. Somehow I removed ideas from my... from the right tab. It's been a while. Where's my Rosa? Yeah. No. Where's the big Alrosa? I didn't even put it into... Wait. Yeah, I didn't put it into my ideas because it's not my idea, it's my trading coach idea. December 5th. I think. December 5th. Yeah. That one closed in profit. Is it? So I took 1/2, 1/3 of 1 day T2, 1 day T2, This and this was taken. This didn't reach. Yeah. 1, 2 is the reward, and 1 day G2 1 month G2 reached and of 1 year close to today at 15 rubble 50 15 to break even. Yes. And this Alrosa didn't go, or did it? Wait, what? That's it? That's all I've got? Anyhow, I'm out of this guy, and yeah, I think it's an accident and it just came back here, but we'll see about that also. I'm not fully out. I'm still, yeah, like, let me see. I was able to close 1/4 of the position. Yeah, 1/4. Anyhow, hold on. Let me log it to my logbook. I'm out of. Oh, it's from the last year. Huh. Wait. Where am I? I'm out of Alrosa for 15 and 15. 50. 145 to be exact specific. Sad story. Sad story for 14th. Alright. Okay, and as for Quebec, I still have 3/4 of position. Did a partial close on me. 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 3. Oh. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. 35, 0, 35, 45 less. Yeah, I did a partial close today. Okay. Okay, I did a partial close. Hey, why? Hold on. But it shows me that 3543 3543. Yeah, that's why. That's how it is. Okay, so I entered it. Some position was entered at 0.34 and the other at 0.38. So on average, it's 3543. Okay. Okay. So that what happened. Our fjord. Our fjord. I don't know what to do with it, honestly. Like in all the reality, I think it should go. Like, why wouldn't it go? Should keep it. Why should I keep it? Why should I keep it? No, that was an entry. That was an entry for 2R. Right here. Right here. Right here. You just popped. Oh, I was trying to do something here. Yeah. Test, boom. Ah, last minute of the day. Yeah. Yeah. That was 2R right here. And would it open a little higher next day? A little higher next day. It popped. It just popped. Weird volume. And then boom. Yeah. Interesting. And then the party is over. And then the party is over. Hmm. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. One bar reversal. CADX. Jeez. Yeah, it went down once, went down twice. And it doesn't go. So that was a trade. Same deal here, right? Or somewhere. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Yeah, things were like too violent and wild. So now it's just like everything is in like this diapasons. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's weird. Such volume on the first bar, like the breaking bar, manipulation bar, and then like on a smaller volume it goes higher on reaction bar. That's always alarming. That's always alarming. Oops. Yeah, the stars, then picks out here, and then why did it go higher on a smaller volume? Microsoft. So weird. Yeah, it's all. Huh. Interesting. And again, smaller volume. Why is this? The volume distribution kind of tells us like, no, please. Five minutes down again. Market is weird. Oops. This guy's in rally. Oof. Oof. It's actually not bad. It's actually not bad. And it just goes and goes and goes. And goes and goes and goes. So this is good in continuation of the trend. It just doesn't want to slow down or stop or do anything. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, I'm sorry. This all is like too wide. Too wide. Markets need to calm down a little bit. We can try to like after the exhaustion volume, after this volume, we can try to like chart it. To discontinue the charting and start doing it fresh. Yeah. It's a massacre. Same deal. Same deal. Oh, look at this. It's the last minute of the day though. So yeah, it's habitual for markets in these extreme moments to like break the patterns. So you gotta be like flexible but very cautious at the same time in such moments. Meta holds this level. And so after these volumes you can just start charting it anew. Nvidia. Of all the stocks, Nvidia popped. Nvidia popped. TPQ. It's interesting what it does. Mm-hmm. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Did it ever change the direction? Not really. It's on test right now. Volume distribution is good. Boom. Yeah, it's reversed. Or did it? Yeah, it did. It reversed here. So oops, that's not what I meant. Amazon. You can target. It's interesting. It's interesting what target does. Change direction. Weird days, you guys. We have General Motors. General Motors, you guys. Huh. Would that not be funny if Apple wouldn't go to the bottom of it, just go higher? Just also considering where Apple is, I'd be careful. I'd be careful. Google. Google goes. Google goes. Yeah, interesting. This guy. Bank of America. It was a spring. It was a test. So wide. Yeah, let's rather go like this. Yeah. Look at this guy. Going down. Look, this was perfect. This was perfect. It's in the test right now. Yeah, the only weird question is this volume. Is this volume. Now this needs a test. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go take care of my laundry. But I see you soon. That's interesting. But I changed direction, unfortunately. Boom, confirmed, and goes up and up and up. So 1 hour still a deal. Let's see. There you go. I'm gonna let you go.